Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Skills of English. Welcome in today's lecture number 75 which is about the phrasal verb. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो phrasal verb के बारे में है कि हम phrasal verb को कहाँ पर और किस तरीके से यूज करते हैं. First of all, let me clear you the definition of phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a combination of a main verb and prepositions, adverbs that together create a new meaning different from the original verb. यानी कि phrasal verb जो होते हैं वो combination होता है हमारे verb का, prepositions का और adverbs का. First of all, अब हम इसके बाद देखते हैं कि इसका structure क्या होता है, यानी कि किस तरह हम phrasal verb को create कर सकते हैं. It's mean it become the phrasal verb just like verb and preposition को मिलाकर phrasal verb बनता है. Here we have some examples of phrasal verb. अब मैं आपके साथ phrasal verb की definition के साथ साथ example share करूंगी ताकि आपको मजीद इसके explanation के साथ clear हो जाए. The first one is look after. Look after English में meaning होता है to take care of. और sentence में हम इसको इस तरीके से use करेंगे she looks after her younger brother. यानी कि वो अपने छोटे भाई की देखभाल करती है. The second sentence is turn on. Turn on यानी to switch on. Please turn on the light, it's getting dark. Please turn on the light, it's getting dark. The number third sentence is turn off, to switch off, and the example is don't forget to turn off the fan before leaving. The fourth sentence is give up. Give up mean to stop doing something. किसी चीज को करने से रोकना. He gave up smoking last year. The fifth sentence is put on. Put on का मतलब होता है to wear. She put on her coat and left the house. The number six sentence is find out. Find out mean to discover. I find out the truth about her yesterday. The seventh example is break down. Break down means stop working, and the sentence is my car broke down on the way. The number 8 sentence is call off mean cancel, and the sentence is the match was called off due to rain. The number ninth sentence is go on. Go on means continue, and the sentence is please go on with your story. Number 10th is hold on. Hold on means wait. Hold on a minute. I shall be right back. The number 11th sentence is work out. वर्कआउट मीन एक्सरसाइज या फिर रिजॉल्व. और सेंटेंस में हम इसको इस तरीके से यूज करेंगे आई वर्क आउट एट द जिम डेली. एंड द नंबर 12th सेंटेंस इज ब्रिंग आउट. ब्रिंग आउट का मतलब होता है पब्लिश या फिर हाईलाइट. किसी चीज को हाईलाइट करना या फिर शाया करना. एंड द सेंटेंस इज दिस ड्रेस ब्रिंग्स आउट योर eyes. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.